Hi, this is Abby, your DaVinci Resolve certified trainer based in Dubai. And for today's episode of Simply Resolve, we are going to create optimized media. So why is optimized media important? So optimized media, it would be helpful for everyone if you are working on projects with high resolution, but then your system is not that powerful to handle the project that you want to create. What you can do, you just have to go to your project settings, and then under the optimize media and render cache, you can select optimize media resolution. So it's either 1/8, 1/16, or quarter. It depends on your choice. So I just have to select 1/16, and then I'm just going to click on save. I'm just going to select which files I would want to optimize my media. So for example, this one, I just have to right click and select generate optimized media. So this one, ideally you have to do this before you start your project because you cannot really do anything while it is generating the optimized media file. So after this, I'm going to show you how the optimized media looks like in the edit page and how you can use it on the color page. I'm going to drag and drop that on our timeline. As you can see on my program viewer, the file is already pixelated. So this one would still give you a real-time playback. So if you're going to see the counter here for your playback, it will be real-time. When it comes to editing, it's important to have real-time playback. While in the color page, what you need is the full resolution or the good quality material. But in my color page, when I move from edit to color, you can see that it's still pixelated. So what I just have to do is just go to playback and then uncheck the use optimized media if available. And it will automatically restore to its original resolution. That's how easy it is to create optimized media using DaVinci Resolve. Again, this is Abby, your DaVinci Resolve certified trainer based here in Dubai. Thank you and see you again.